Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen and in this video I'm going to give you 7 email marketing secrets you need to know before you start your email marketing journey, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can grow your online business and take it to the next level. Email marketing is very important in any kind of online business. Collecting leads and sending them regular emails with lots of value will turn your leads into paying customers. But how to do it? Or what to do if you are just starting out? So here are 7 email marketing secrets you need to know in order to be successful with email marketing. First, use the right email service. When you are just starting out, it's important to use the right email service. I would recommend either Aweber or GetResponse. You need some basic tools and easy to learn service so you can adapt fast and start your email marketing journey as soon as possible. When I was starting out, I used Aweber because it's easy to learn, works very well, and it's not overwhelming. Second, make it easy to subscribe. You want to have your opt-in form as simple as possible for your potential leads. You can collect names and email addresses or just emails for better conversion rate. The more complicated you make it for them, the worse your conversions are going to be. Assume they know nothing about you or about your offer and make it simple for them to subscribe. Show them exactly step by step what they should do, make it clear and easy to follow to get the highest conversion rate. Third, offer lots of free value. If you want to get more subscribers, you need to offer as much value as possible. You can give away different reports, PDFs, or some kind of audios or videos to get them subscribed. You can also make more audios and videos and send them to your potential leads gradually to get them excited. They will be ready to learn more and that way you will get a lot more subscribers. Fourth, welcome email. People expect an email after they subscribe. So tell them why they subscribed in the first place, introduce yourself and also tell them what they can expect from you in the long term. Always add value and get them excited by showing them sneak peeks of what you are planning to do for them. On the other hand, do not spam your leads with lots of emails or irrelevant stuff. Send them maximum of 2 or 3 emails per week. 5. Use the rule 80-20. No matter what you do, you have to provide value and solve people's problems. So 80% of the time, send them emails with lots of valuable stuff and in only 20% of the time, you can send them promotional emails. In my opinion, it's better to make it 90-10. So 90% of the time share value and only 10% of the time send them promotional emails. This way, you are building trust with your leads, which is one of the most important things. Why? Because people only buy from people who they trust. And if you want to turn your leads into paying customers, they have to trust you in the first place. Also, if you are keep providing value for them, even if they are your existing customers, they will buy more from you and also they will tell their friends. That is the reason you need to share value and help people to solve their problems. Sixth, always have call to action in your emails. This is also crucial. If you are sending emails with lots of value, always refer to some kind of audio, video or webinar using call to action in your emails. It's important to have call to action on more places. For instance, you can have one at the beginning, one in the middle and one at the bottom of your email. Your leads need to get used to click in your emails because if you are sending promotional emails to them, you want from them to be able to click the links in your emails. In that case, you will increase your click-through rate and therefore your sales. 7. Use scarcity. This is a significant element as well because if you create the right scarcity for people, they are more likely to buy. Think of a thing that you like to have. What would your life be like if you suddenly couldn't get any more of it? For instance, if you are offering something really valuable for your potential customers, give them limited time to make their decision. If you are starting your email marketing journey, remember these 7 secrets and apply them to get more results. Use the right email service. Make it easy for them to subscribe. Offer lots of value in advance for free. Send them welcome email. Use the rule 90-10. Have more call to actions in your emails and the last one, use scarcity. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out more videos on similar topics, I will put links in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button right below this video. It helps me know that you like this kind of videos and I can do more of them. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on the future content. If you guys do have any questions, just go ahead and comment below in the comment section and I will try to get back to you as best I can. With that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.